As loud as a fusion rifle, Shaxx may seem like a brute, but he cares deeply for those whom he looks after. I made these cookies for him as thanks for his kindness, because both their crispness and blade shape remind me so much of him. Ava Levante. If you have access to Ava's holiday oven, all you need to make vanilla blades for Shaxx is Cabal oil and sharp flavor. If you're not lucky enough to have it on hand, here's what you're going to need. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 eggs, not corrupted, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 3/4 cup of ether cane, ground coarse, 1/2 teaspoon of salt that can be found easily in the Looking for Group forums, 5 tablespoons of unsalted taken butter, cow butter is okay, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1 vanilla bean split with the seeds removed and set aside. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Combine flour, baking powder, and salt in a small bowl, mix and set aside. In a large bowl, cream the butter and sugar and mix until smooth. Add the eggs one at a time. Mix in the vanilla extract, vanilla bean seeds. Mix in the flour until it all just comes together like the perfect raid team. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper and place the dough on top. Form a log 3/4 inch tall by 5.5 inches wide by 9.5 inches long. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes until the log firms up. This would be a good time to get a few rounds of Crucible in if you need some extra salt. Remove from the oven and let the cookie cool for 15 minutes and reduce the heat of the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Cut the cookie widthwise into 1/2 inch thick slices. Lay them flat on the baking sheet and bake for 7 more minutes. Flip and bake for an additional 7 minutes, then transfer to a wire rack to cool.